morning, my dear students. In the last class, we solved a few problems on linear equation in one variable. That to be only one side, it has a variable. But in this today's class, we are going to solve the problems of linear equations having both LHS and RHS, having variables of same. That should be only one variable. Okay. See, first topic is solving equations having the variable on both sides. Dear students, here see solving equations having the variable on both sides. Here, which are the both sides? Yes, both sides are LHS and RHS. Okay, for example, a equation say 2x equal to 3 plus 5x. It is an equation. Okay, here left side, LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. Okay, LHS equal to RHS. Here, see here, both sides variable, that should be LHS side, RHS as variable. Variable which is a variable? X is a variable. Here also X is a variable. X is what? Variable. Got it, children? X is a variable. That should, it has both sides, left side and right side. So it is called as variable. But here variables are same. Our variables are one. That means X and X both are the same. That is a one variable. Okay. Do you understand? Then we have to solve some examples on this exercise. That is exercise number 2.3. Exercise number 2.3. Exercise 2.3. First one. Solve the following and verify. Verify means we have to prove that whether right hand side is equal to left hand side or left hand side are equal to right hand side. That one we have to find out. That should be, we have to show those two are equal. See, first problem. First one, 3x equal to 2x plus 18. Okay, children, see here, 3x equal to 2x plus 18. This is the problem. Okay, what is the problem given? 3x equal to 2x plus 18. We have to solve this. Okay, then the first step is write the problem as it is. Once again, 3x equal to 2x plus 18. And the next step is transpose here 2x to LHS, then it will become 3x. If you transpose this 2x to left side, then it will become minus 2x. Okay, and what is the remaining in the RHS? Yes, right, 18 as it is, plus 18 is remaining. We know that if there is no sign beside of the left side of the number means that is a positive. Okay, therefore 3x minus x, 2x equal to x. Therefore x equal to 18. Here we subtracted 2x from 3x. Then 3x minus 3x equal to x. The value of x is 8. Okay, in the last problem we did up to here, but this time in the question itself it has given verify. What we have to verify? Whether LHS are equal to RHS or not. See, like LHS equal to, what is the LHS? LHS is 3x. Substitute x, 3 is there. What is the value of x? We found is 18. Therefore 18 3s is 54. Okay, and RHS. What is the RHS? RHS equal to 2x plus 18. Okay, 2 into x value 18 plus 18 is equal to 82 is 36 plus of 18 which is equal to 54. Yes, children, both RHS and LHS are equal, hence the problem is correct. Okay, therefore LHS equal to RHS, hence the proof. Okay, this is what your answer. Got it, children? Once again I will have to explain you once again. Look here, the given problem, solve the following and verify the following problems. 3x equal to 2x plus 18. Here again we return problem as it is. Next, first step is, once again we will write the problem as it is. Next step is transpose 2x. That means we have to separate the variables to variable side and constants to constant side, whether it is the RHS or LHS. Okay, here this 2x we bring to left side. Okay, see here 3x minus 2x equal to 8. Here 18 remaining, we have to write 18. Therefore 3x minus 2x equal to x, which is equal to 18. And then again we verify verification. If you want to write here verification. That is children, this is what our answer. Okay, and now I will pass to next exercise, next problem, that is 5t minus of 3 which is equal to 3t minus 5. See, first problem completed. Now second problem. Second problem, first one solution, that is write the problem. First step is write the problem as it is. Once again 5t minus 3 which is equal to 3t minus of 5. Here we have to separate. We have to write one side. 5t is there, 3t is there. Bring this 3 to left side and send minus 3 to right side. Then that means transpose. Transpose 3t to LHS and minus 3 to RHS. Then it will become 5t. If you bring this one here to left side is minus 3t, which is equal to here minus 5. If you transfer this one, minus 3 becomes plus 3. Okay, then 5t minus 3t, 2t equal to minus of 2. Here we have to divide 2 on both sides. Why we have to divide here 2 on the, why? Because beside of the constant, beside of the variable 2 is there, so we have to divide the same number. Okay, therefore 2t by 2 is equal to minus 2 by 2. Here 2 gets cancelled, remaining is t, which is equal to 2 ones are 2 ones are, which is nothing but minus 1 by 1, which is equal to minus of 1. Therefore value of t equal to minus 1. Now the next step is verification. Okay, verification. Okay, what to verify? Whether LHS are equal to RHS or not. Okay, we have to verify LHS equal to RHS, true or false. We have to verify. We know that. What is the LHS given in the problem? 5t minus 3. What is the 5? 5 value we know. 5 as constant coefficient of the t, right, as it is. And what is the value of t? T value is minus 1. T value is minus 1. Minus of 3, right? Which is equal to 5 into minus 1 equal to minus 1. Minus 1 equal to minus of, sorry, minus 3 is there. Minus 9. Okay. Next, RHS. What is the mean? This is what? LHS, and RHS is equal to, what is the value of, what is the RHS given here? 3t minus of 5. So I will children here minus 5 minus 3 equal to minus of 8. Okay. Next, which is equal to 3t. 3 into minus 1 minus of 5 equal to 3 ones are 3. Here sign is minus, write the minus sign as it is, and minus of 5 minus 3 minus 5 which is equal to minus of 8. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Okay, this is what our verification. Okay, now I will go to next problem, that is say in this manner. May I understand that? Okay. Already started already. Now, next problem, that is third one. Third problem. 5x plus 9 which is equal to 5 plus 3x. Okay. See here, solution 5x plus 9 which is equal to 5 plus 3x. Here, what is the first step? First step is variables and variables separate, right? And constants to constants separately, right? Say first here, transpose. What we have to transpose? 3x to LHS and 9 to RHS. Then the equation will becomes 5x minus of 3x equal to 5 minus 9. Here y plus 5. When it plus 9, if you transpose to the right side, then it will become negative. Okay? Or else negative side will becomes positive. Understand? 5x minus 3x equal to 3x, which is equal to 5 minus 9. Yes. Minus of 4. Got it done? Next, here we have to cancel the term 3. Therefore, divide 3 on both sides. Then 3x by 3 is equal to minus 4 by 3. Therefore, 3 gets cancelled. These two never be cancelled. So write x equal to minus 4 by 3. Understand children? That is solution here. Small correction. Here 2x will come. 2x equal to minus 4 and we have to divide here 2 on both sides. Therefore 2x by 2 which is equal to minus 4 by 2. Therefore 2 gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 2s are. X equal to minus 2. Okay, see here only we can cancel. Okay, 5x minus 3x equal to 2x. Now verification, we have to verify this. We have to verify verification. LHS. What is the LHS symbol? 5x plus 9 which is equal to 5 into minus 2 plus of 9 which is equal to minus 10 plus 9 equal to minus 2. RHS. What is RHS? 5 plus of 3x which is equal to 5 into 3 into value of is minus 2, 5 plus 3 to 6 minus 6 Therefore, it is 5 minus 6 equal to minus 1. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Why? Because we got both LHS and RHS value is minus 1. Okay. And the next problem, that is fourth one. 4z plus 3, which is equal to 6 plus 2z. Okay children, look here. Solution. Write the problem once again as it is. 4z plus 3, which is equal to 6 plus 2z. First, transpose 2z to left hand side and 3 to RHS. Then the equation becomes 4z minus of 2z, which is equal to 6 minus 3. Okay, now 4z minus of 2z equal to 2z, which is equal to 6 minus 3, yes, 3. Therefore, we have to dividing 2 on both sides. Then the equation will become 2z divided by 2, which is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, here 2 gets cancelled. Therefore, z equal to 3 by 2. Okay, children, got it? This is what? Your answer. And next, verification, you have to do it. I will go through another example. Next, 2x minus 1, which is equal to 40 minus of x. Solution. 2x minus 1 equal to 14 minus of x. Transpose minus x to LHS and minus 1 to RHS. Then the equation will becomes 2x plus x, which is equal to 14 plus 1. 2x plus x equal to 3x, which is equal to 15. Therefore, x equal to here we have to cancel the term 3. How it will be cancelled? Yes, divide 3 on both sides. Then the equation will become 3 by x divided by 3, which is equal to 15 divided by 3. Here see children, 3 ones are 3 ones are. Here remaining is x, which is equal to 3 ones are 3 fives are. Therefore, value of x equal to 5. Next, verification, you have to do it. Okay. Now, I would like to go to another example of the same exercise and same mind, that is very interesting problem. Sixth problem. 8x plus 4, which is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Look at the board, children, look at the board clearly. The next problem, that is 8x plus 4, which is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Okay. Now, here same, the first step is solution. Write the problem once again as it is. 8x plus 4, which is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 4. Here see, this one we have to simplify. That is a multiplication of monomial to binomial. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x. 3x minus 3 into 1, 3 plus 7. If you want, write here 3 into x minus 1 equal to 3x, 3x minus 3 into 1 minus of 3. Okay, this value written here. Okay, got it children? Next, transpose. Transpose 3x to LHS and 4 to RHS. Then our equation will become 8x minus of 3x, which is equal to minus 3 plus 7. This plus 4. Transpose this, then it will become minus 4. 8x minus 3 is equal to 5x, which is equal to minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 plus 7. Therefore, 5x equal to 7 minus 7, 0. Here, divide 5 on both sides. Therefore, 5x by 5 is equal to 0 by 5. 5 gets cancelled. Therefore, x value is 0 by 5. This is what our answer. And also, I will give you this verification. I will give you verification of this problem. Okay? I can't give all verifications. Whatever the verification I am giving, you must do it. Rest of that, you will do it. Okay? Verification. First one, LHS. What is the LHS in the given problem? Yes, 8x plus 4. Okay, here what is the value of x? It is equal to 8 into 0 by 5 plus of 4. Okay, next, here we know that 8 into 0 is, this whole term will become 0 plus 4 equal to 4. And the next step, that is 3x RHS is, here is the RHS, this is RHS. Okay, 3x minus 3 plus 7, which is equal to 3 into 0 by 5 minus 3 plus 7. Okay children, next 3 into 0 is 0, 0 by 5 is equal to 0 minus this all term will become 0. Why? Because 3 to 0, 0, 0 by 5 is 0. Okay, 0 minus 3 minus 7 minus 3 plus 7 is plus 4. Therefore, here it is equal to 4. Here LHS, what is the value of LHS? 4. RHS 4. Therefore, LHS and RHS both are same. Hence, our equation is right. Okay. Now we will go to see another example. That is very interesting example. 7th one. X equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. See, your given problem is, it is 4. Solution, write the problem as it is. X equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. Here simplification is there, somewhat do it. X equal to 4 into x, 4x plus 4 into 10 is 4 tens are 40 divided by 5 is there. Here we have to multiply. If you want to cancel, we want to cancel here 5. How it will be cancelled? Yes, by multiplying 5 on both sides. Then 5 into x is equal to 4x plus 40 divided by 5 into 5. Then it will become 5 gets cancelled. Here 5x equal to 4x plus 40. Okay, now we have to transpose. Transpose 4x to LHS, then 5x minus 4x equal to 40, x equal to 40. Hence the proof. That is our answer. Series. Plus, if you divide this by, it will become 10. 10, 10, this is 10. And the next problem, made of this. Next, the eighth problem, 2x by 3 plus 1, which is equal to 7x by 50 plus 3. Okay. See here children, look at the given problem and write it as again 2x by 3 plus 1, which is equal to 7x by 50 plus of 3. Okay. Now we have to transpose. This is a variable, this is a variable. Transpose this one. Transpose 7x by 50 into LHS and 1 to RHS. Then the equation will becomes 2x by 3 minus of 7x by 50, which is equal to 3 minus 1. Okay, see here. Take the LCM. This is the form of fractional form. This one we have to take LCM. LCM of 3 and 15 is 15. If you divide this 15 from 3 means you will get 5. This 5 is multiplied by 2x minus, is the right minus 7x into, if you divide 15 from 15 means you will get 1, which is equal to 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2. Multiply 2 5 is 10x minus 7x by 50, which is equal to 2. 10x minus 7x equal to 3x by 50, which is equal to 2. Yes, it is 3x by divided by 50, which is equal to 2. 3 ones are 3 5, that is x by 5 equal to 2. Okay, we want to cancel here. We want to cancel 5 here. So what we have to do? We have to multiply 5 on both sides. Then x by 5 into 5, which is equal to 2 into 5. 5 is cancelled. X equal to 2 5 is 10. This is what our answer. Verification, you only do it. Okay. May I love this children? Yes, I love this. The next problem, that is 9th one. 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus of 5. Look at the given problem, children, and read the problem carefully. The given problem is 2y plus 5 by 3 which is equal to 26 by 3 minus of y. Therefore, solution 2y plus 5 by 3 equal to 26 by 3 minus of y. Now, bring the variables, separate the variables to variables and constants to constants. 2y minus y becomes here transposing. By transpose minus y to RHS and 5 by 3 to LHS. Sorry, LHS and RHS right here. Then 2y plus 5 equal to 26 by 3 plus minus 5 by 3. Then 3y equal to 21 by 3. Okay. Now see children here. 3y equal to 3 1 3 7. Now divide 3 on both sides. Then 3y by 3 is equal to 7 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. Therefore y equal to 7 by 3. And verification, you have to do your verification. Yes, see, you will get only 7 sir. Y equal to 7. Now the last problem, that is 10th one. Write down. 3m equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. Okay, see here. 3m equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. Here transpose 5m to LHS. Then 3m minus 5m equal to minus 8 by 5 minus 2m equal to minus 8 by 5. Here you have to cancel minus, therefore divide minus 2 on